What's up, crazy reeking gaming? Y'all know what time it is. Anyhow, we're gonna get right to it. Check it out. So, for those of you at home who are wondering, Xbox One disk drive ain't working, I'm gonna show y'all. As y'all can see below me, I bought the rare replay last week and it was installing. When all of a sudden, I'm gonna show y'all dudes what I mean. Alright, what's up, girl? Shout out to Kitty. Alright, I want you guys to listen carefully to what's going to happen. Alright, it's going to make a grinding noise. Hear that? She wondering what it is. Okay, so that grinding noise, click, click, clank, 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 that shit ain't normal. So what the problem is that this drive is not working. Maybe it's dusty. I cleared off the dust from the back. The game won't be red. So like it says rare replay is there, right? It'll still install the game, but it won't play it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna open up the system and freaking play Bob the Builder. You know, so I'll click rare replay. See what, whoa. Installation is almost done. Like really, what? So if you hear that clanking, that grinding noise, that click, 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 clank, that shit ain't good. There's something wrong with your Xbox. So I called the customer service people. They told me my 1-year warranty's up because I bought this system when it first came out. So as you know, when systems first come out, there's always going to be some bugs. That's inevitable. And you know, as gamers, we take that risk and precaution. Why? Because we are gamers. We love our games. We take that risk. We don't care if the system is going to have bugs in it. We just want to play our games. We have passion. We have love for our games. So I called them and they told me I most likely will have to send it back, which is going to cost me $100 and change. I wait until I have some extra money so I can do that. So if any of y'all find any other ways to fix that grinding noise, which is the disc reader, let me know. Again, I ain't opening that system. I ain't Bob the Builder, so I ain't playing games with that. I leave that to, you know, y'all dudes at home, the mechanics and all that. So I just wanted to post this video, give you guys a heads up. Usually I post a video if some crazy shit happens on a game or a console. And as you can hear, hopefully you guys heard that clanking noise. Your Xbox One drive is messed up. And if I were you, I send it out. But the weird thing is, it won't read games, but I can, you know, I can play Killer Instinct with no problem. You know what I mean? So it'll load Killer Instinct, it'll play Hulu, but it's just the disc, it won't read games at all. So I just want to give you guys that heads up. Crazy Reeking Gaming. Y'all know what it is. Hopefully I'll have some more videos for you guys. Hopefully doing play games and shit. Y'all know how I do. Over and out, man. Take care.